Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create a video GIF with inShot application. Alright guys, here I have imported my video to my inShot project. I'm going to make this video as a GIF. So after we have imported our video that we want to make it as a GIF, we can export the video as a GIF. But before we export it, we can edit the video. We can add effect or a sticker or anything. It's up to you. And after we have edited the video, we can click on save to export this video. And here we can choose the format, and since we want to create a video GIF, we can click on the GIF option. Okay, and click on save, and you have to wait for a moment until the GIF has been created. Okay, and now the GIF has been created, and I'm going to check it in my gallery. So I'm just going to open my gallery and I'm going to search for it. So this is the GIF. Okay, this is the GIF that I have just created with my inShot application. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video GIF with inShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.